What's up guys, my name's Alex, welcome to the Bug Out Life YouTube channel. Alright, as always, if you've seen my videos before, welcome back. And if it's your first time, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, we continue on with the sqauredrop camper build. It's a camper that we built from scratch. If you haven't seen the previous videos, there's a full series, so go check it out. In today's video, we pretty much get it done. I didn't get a whole lot of footage captured for it just because I had a really tight deadline on a camping trip I had to go on. So I just pretty much spent most of my time getting stuff done so that it was usable, which is now. But what I'll do is I will roll the footage from what I did get. I'll explain a bit through there, tell you guys what's left over to do, and then we will do a full reveal of the camper in the next video, which will be really exciting. I'm just waiting for some good weather to do that one. It's been raining here non-stop. So once the weather's all sorted, I'll take it out probably to the mountain somewhere and get a nice little reveal video and show you guys around, and so you can see what I've done. But without further ado, let's get the B-roll rolling, and I'll come back and chat to you guys afterwards. Alright, so what you're seeing here is me realizing the manufacturer's specifications for drying time is completely wrong, at least for my situation with the heat that we had that day. So I quickly realized that I had to apply the glue and then stick the two surfaces together pretty much straight away, otherwise it dried too fast. In my previous video, I explained that I was going to do a 3D roof to finish off the roof area inside the bedroom, give it a bit of a feature. I got those in the mail and I attempted to install them with my idea, and unfortunately it just didn't go quite right. There's too much variation in each individual piece, and I needed about 20 of them to actually fill the roof. So there was just too many gaps and it just didn't look quite right. So I scrapped that idea and I will fix that behind the scenes in the future. What I'm doing here is 3D printing a shroud or a fascia that I made to suit the vent fan that I installed in a previous video. This vent fan sucks the hot air from the kitchen and fridge area to the outside. Where the cutout was quite ugly, so I decided to design something that would, one, fill the gap and make it look pretty, and then also give me the option to add a blanking piece so that when I'm driving down dusty roads I can put in that piece and it stops the dust from coming into the kitchen area, and I can take that when we stop driving. So that's what's printing here, and we installed that as well. Alright, now for the exciting part where we get the camper box on the actual trailer. If you guys have been following my videos from the start, you'll know that this whole system is removable just by some jacking legs. You can do it with one person, but I did get a friend to help me because this was the first time that we've actually secured it to the trailer frame. And it went really well. It looks fantastic. I am going to leave you guys on a bit of a cliffhanger and blur out the final product so you guys can see that in the next video.
Alright, so now that you guys are up to date with what the status of the trailer is now, I'll probably cut the video right about there, just because I don't want to reveal too much on the finished product, because I want to do a full dedicated video and walk around and reveal to that one. Behind me here you'll see a crappy old van. That is going to be the next project on the channel. It's a van that my uncle bought for a charity rally that he's doing for the Cancer Council to raise funds for cancer research. It's going to be a very simple build, very cheap DIY, and it's just going to be a functional van with a bed, fridge, some power, drawers, all that kind of good stuff. I need to have that done in about 6 weeks time, so hopefully the video will be out soon. I will probably just be doing 1 or 2 videos dedicated to it just because it's such a small project, just to not drag it out. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you can find out when I drop a video for this build as well as the full reveal on the off-road camper trailer that I have outside. With all that being said, thanks so much for sticking around. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Hit me with a like, comment, ask anything. I'm always here to answer your questions, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.